Right. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Let's write
Good evening,
dictation.
teacher.
Good evening. Is it from furthermore to scribble or the tournament to uh, is this correct dictation today?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Right,
Yes.
right. Sanket. Thank you. Everyone, please turn on your camera. Right, thank you. Right, I think we can mark dictation. Okay, take red pens. War, W-A-R, war. Symbol. Symbol. Believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Award. Scribble. Furthermore. Furthermore. Entertainment. Fortune. Troops. Signals.
ටීචර් අතන ටීචර් 7 වෙනි එකට එන්ටර්ටේන්මන්ට් කියලා තිබ්බේ නැහැ එන්ටර්ටේන් විතරයි තිබ්බේ.
Entertain, okay. Thank you. Recreation. Number 11, recreation. Right, let's check marks. Senudi, how many marks?
ටීචර් සිග්නල් කිරන්ට තිබ්බේ 10 වෙනි එක.
Senudi, how many marks? Osanda?
11 ටීචර්.
11.
පන්තියක්.
Senudi?
අක්කා පන්තියක් ටීචර්.
Ha pute, hari. Right. Osanda, how many marks?
11 ටීචර්.
11, very good. Charuka? Charuka not there today. Right. Uvani?
11 ටීචර්.
Very good. Tinuri? Bimash? Hiruka? Dinsara 11. Okay, thank you, Dinsara 11. Dinsara, did you take the paper, homework paper?
No ටීචර්.
ආවේ නෑ නේද ගෙනියන්න?
No ටීචර්.
Okay, okay. Malisha, how many marks? Tamasha? Tamindu?
11 ටීචර්.
11, very good. Himandi?
11 ටීචර්.
Very good. Kushani?
11 ටීචර්.
Very good. Danidu?
11 teacher.
11. Very good. Kasuni Rushika.
11 teacher.
11. Okay. Tamidu, thank you. 11. Kasuni Rushika, 11. Right. Netumli, 11. Very good. Minuda, 11. Very good. Yalindu, 11. Very good. Rashini, Rashini,
Teacher, කරන්න කිව්වේ?
we are marking dictation, Situm. Rashini, 11. Very good. Kasuni Amanda, 11. Very good. Kalpani,
8 teacher.
8. No good, Kalpani. Chamodi,
11 teacher.
11. Okay. Gagani,
11 teacher.
very good. Apsani,
Teacher, I just logged into the class.
right. Okay. Danuli,
10 teacher.
10. Very good. Udera, Ude- 10. Very good. Chatum, 11. Very good. Situm just joined the class. Right. Right. Let's come to mark the paper.
Teacher, මගේ නම කිව්වේ
Test
නෑනේ.
paper 2.
ඒකෙන් තමයි ඇඩ්නේ teacher.
Right, Situm. Yes, it's okay. You can write
Teacher,
dictation.
excuse me teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, paper එක මං ගාව නැහැ.
I sent the photo to the WhatsApp group. Didn't you see that?
Teacher,
What's your name?
නැතුම්ලි teacher.
Netumli mang ඔයාට privately message කළා ඒ photo එක. ඊට පස්සේ ආපහු group එකටත් දැම්මා. netumliට හම්බුනේ නැද්ද මම ඔයාට දාපු එක?
Teacher, picture එක හමු වුණා. ඒ paper එක නැහැ.
ඔව් එදා මට ඔයා කිව්වනේ paper එක හම්බුනේ නැහැ කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා මේ paper set එක ගෙනියන්න ආවේ නැතුව ඇති. නේද netumli?
Teacher මං හිතුවේ ඒක තනි
Unit 4 busy
Tiny
day කියන
paper.
tute එක ගත්තද?
තියනවා teacher මං හිතුවේ ඒක තනි paper එකක් කියලා. දැන් ආපහු බැලුවා. තියනවා. මං ඒක කරන්නම් teacher ඉක්මනට විනාඩියක් ඉන්නවද?
Right, let's mark the paper.
teacher,
Yes, Vinuki.
teacher dictation mark කරන වෙලාවේ මගේ නම කිව්වේ නෑනේ.
Is it? Vinuki message කළේ නැද්ද 11 marks කියලා?
No teacher.
Okay, right. Sorry. Yes. So how many marks, Vinuki?
11 teacher.
11, right. Very good. අනිත් අයගේ හැමෝම නම කිව්වා නේද? සමහර මේ මැසේජ් එකපු ළමන්ගේ මම ආයෙ අහන්න ගියේ නෑ. මැසේජ් එකේ මාක් දාගත්තා. Right. So let's do the paper. Test paper 2. Take red pen, you can mark. Fill the blanks. Number 1. As innocent as a.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Yes, very good.
Rabbit.
What is the meaning innocent?
Ahinsaka.
Ahinsaka. Very good. Ahinsaka. Yes. Number B. As proud as
Peacock.
peacock. Very good.
Peacock.
Yes. What is the meaning proud?
Adambara.
Very good. Adambara. As slow as snail. Yes, snail. ගොළු බෙල්ලෙක් වගේ හෙමින් වැඩ කරන. ගොළු බෙල්ලෙක් වගේ හෙමින්. As slow as a snail. As brave as a
lion,
lion. Meaning brave.
Nirbhita.
Nirbhita. Yes, brave nirbhita. Yes, very good. As colorful as
butterfly,
butterfly. What is the meaning colorful? Varnavat. Very good.
Varnavat.
Right, very good. Yes, Varnavat. Number 2. Uncle is the driver. Answer 1 or 2.
One.
Remember, pronouns වලින් අයිතිය හැඟවීමේදී pronouns වලින් අයිතිය හැඟවීමේදී my, our, your, their, his, her, its, all these are pronouns. අපි grade 6 class එකේ third term එකේදී කළා. All these are pronouns. අයිතිය හඟවන සර්වනාම. Possessive pronouns. When you write possessive pronouns, no apostrophe. Apostrophe පාඩමේදී නැවත මතක් කළා අපි අයිතිය හැඟවීමට apostrophe දානවා. Right? Kamals, kamalge, kamal apostrophe s. අයිතිය හැඟවීමට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් apostrophe එක දානවා. But in pronouns, we don't use the apostrophe. අයිතිය හැඟවීමට apostrophe දාන්නේ. What is the meaning? My, මගේ. ඒ වචනේ ඇතුළේම අයිතිය තියෙනවා. අපි ආපහු apostrophe එකක් දාලා මේක අයිතිය පෙන්වන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. Right? So remember that ඒ පාඩම අමතක නම් නැවත මතක් කරගන්න. Pronouns වලදී අයිතිය හැඟවීමට අපි apostrophe දාන්නේ නැහැ. Right? So his කියන එකට නැවත apostrophe දාන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. His කියන්නේ ඔහුගේ. Right. Question B. Pupudu's pet is a rabbit. Answer number 1 or 2.
One.
Very good. Pupudu is singular. Pubudu apostrophe s. Pupudu is singular. Question C. It is a famous boys college. 1 or 2.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Anudhi. Yes, I can see you.
Teacher, මගේ පන්තිය දැනුයි teacher ඉවරුනේ.
Right, it's okay. So we are marking the test paper. Boys college. So there are a lot of boys, right? Not only one boy. Boys. Apostrophe. Do we write S again?
No.
No. Very good. No S again. So it is the second answer. Where is the washroom?
One, teacher.
One. Yes, one. Very good. Men, this is a special plural. Right? Remember, api apostrophe lesson එකේදී special plurals කියලා වෙනම set එකක් කළා. Right? Men, women, children. දැන් මේගොල්ලෝ plural වුණාට S අකුරකින් නෙමෙයි අවසන් වෙන්නේ. Books, pencils, boys, girls. ඒ අවස්ථාවලදී S එකකින් තමයි plural එක අවසන් වෙන්නේ. But these are special because no S. මේගොල්ලන්ට S එකක් නැති නිසා අවසානයේට අපිට කිසි ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. දාන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So the answer is number 1. Answer is number 1. I have a guitar.
One.
I have a guitar.
One.
Yes, I've a guitar. I've a guitar. Apsani, thank you very much for reminding me about our anniversary. I know it is somewhere in June in this month, but I'm not sure about the exact date, right? So I wish happy birthday to our school. So what did you have today at the school? Sorry?
70 years old.
Yeah. So what did they do today? Any religious activities?
We are singing. No, teacher.
Huh.
YouTube channel cooking කරාපි teachersලා හැම joining වෙලා videos වලින් අද කරේ YouTube channel එකකින්.
Okay.
මට සින්දුවක් කියන්නත් තිබ්බා.
Okay. Is it recorded?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will check it. I have some other students also from our school. Last time we observed Sil on this day. But now I think they observe Sil for Vesak, isn't it?
No, teacher.
No? Do you still observe Sil for Founders Day?
I don't know.
You are not sure. Yes. Okay. Let's go to question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Remember, these words are very important. You have to remember when and where to use. මේවා කොයි අවස්ථාවේද use කරන්න. What are the words for simple present tense? What are the words for past tense? What are the words for future? Right? So if we go to present, am, is, are. If we go to past, was, were. Yes. If we go to future,
Will
be. Right. So am is for I. I am. Singular is. Plural. Past tense. Singular was. Plural were. Do we have difference in future tense? Singular, plural difference?
No.
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 We don't have singular plural difference in future tense, right? Future එකේදී අපිට singular plural කියලා වෙනසක් නැහැ. It's will be. It's only will be. නමුත් past tense එකෙත් present tense එකෙත් singular plural වෙනසක් තියෙනවා. Right. Number 8. Yesterday we
Had.
තිබුණා. Yesterday we had a party. My grandfather was my grandfather singular. He was a brave man. The students in the library now. Now means present tense. Students plural. Now in the present tense. Then, right? Ravi, the next batsman. Next.
Will be.
Yes, will be. Next කියන්නේ ඊළඟට. Future. Right? Someone is batting now. Ravi will be the next batsman. Who is very good. Who is your favorite sportsman? Very good. Question number 4. Read the note and write a reply. Isuru. There is a Shramadana campaign to clean up the village temple on 25th Sunday. Hope you will come, Darsha. Right, so you can write lot of answers for this note. I will mark it myself, right? You can write the note and staple to this paper. then I will mark it. Right. Let's go to question number 5.
Teacher.
Do you have a question?
Teacher number 4 එකේ තියෙන teacher මේ ප්‍රශ්නය අහන අපි ඒකට දාන එක නේද teacher?
What is the reply?
Teacher.
Oh, yes. What is the reply?
පිළිතුර.
Pilitura. Yes, yes. If you don't understand these words, you have to understand the question well. ඉස්සෙල්ලම ඔයා ප්‍රශ්නේ හරියට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ, right? What is your question? Read the note. දැන් මේ වගේ පොඩි ලියුමකට පොඩි චිට් එකකට අපි කියන note එකක් කියලා. We write lot of notes in the class. Remember? the මේ note එකට reply note එකක්. What is the reply note? පිළිතුරු note එකක්. පිළිතුරු ලියුමක්. note එකක් කියන්නේ ලොකු ලියුමක් නෙමෙයි. It is a small message. Right? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි note එකක් යාළුවෙක් අතේ යාළුවෙක්ට යවනවා. වෑන් අංකල් අතේ අම්මට එවනවා. නැත්නම් වෑන් අංකල් අතේ ස්කූල් ටීචර්ට යවනවා. note එකක් කියන්නේ මේ වගේ දෙයක්. අංකල් කෙනෙක් අතේ ඉස්කෝලේට යවනවා. Right? Something like that. note එකක්. So what is the note here? Isuru, there is a Shramadana campaign to clean up the village temple on Sunday. Shramadana campaign එකක් තියෙනවා ගමේ පන්සල clean කරන. Hope you will come. Hope. මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා ඔයා එයි කියලා. So you have to write the reply note. We can take 2 ways. Number 1 positive, number 2 negative. Positive means you can come. මං එනවා කියන එක. Negative means you cannot come. මම එන්නේ නැහැ කියන එක. Right? Rashini, do you have an idea now?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher කියන එක පැහැදිලි නෑ teacher.
Is it same for everyone? Is my voice breaking, children?
No teacher. No
Right,
teacher.
teacher. Yeah, thank you.
No teacher.
Rashini, that means there is a signal problem in your side. I am not going to write the note on the board, right? I am not going to give you any examples because if you did not write it now, you can copyright that. That's why I am not going to write an example on the board, right? මොකද ඔයා ඒකම copy කරලා ආපහු මට එවුවොත් මට ලකුණු දාන්න බැරි වෙනවා. Right? That's why I am not going to write examples. writing book එකේ තියෙන වෙන ඕනම තැනකින් help අරගෙන ඔයා තනියෙන් study කරලා note එක ලියන එක වෙනයි මම board එකේ දාන එක copy කරන එක වෙනයි right ඒ මොකද මේ note එකම අපි පාඩම් කරද්දී කරලා නැහැ. ඒතකොට ඔයා වෙන තැන් වලින් කරුණු එකතු කරගත්තත් ඔයා තනියම note එක හදන්න ඕන. So that is your work. ඒක ඔයාගේ තනි වැඩක්. ඒකට මට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ලකුණු දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? That is why I am not going to touch it. Let's go to question number 5. Rewrite the following sentences using apostrophe. Remember, we did the apostrophe lesson for 2 ways. For two methods. Number 1 is to show contraction for short form. අපි කැටියෙන් කිව්වත් short form. නමුත් contraction කියන වචනේත් ඔයා දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. Contraction කියන්නේ short form එකමයි. සමහර වෙලාවට test paper එක වලට contraction කියන වචනේ දෙන්න පුළුවන්. එතෙන්දී ඔයා බලයි what is contraction. අපිට එහෙම පාඩමක් කරලා නැහැනේ. Right? So don't worry about that. Contraction is short form. කෙටි කර දැක්වීම. Another one, possession. අයිතිය පෙන්වීම. Right? That is our apostrophe lesson. Number 1, contraction. කෙටි කර දැක්වීම. Number 2, possession. අයිතිය හැඟවීම. Right? Number 1, A, let us play hide and seek. So it's about contraction. How to write?
Let's play hide and seek.
Let's play. Let's play hide and seek. What is the game hide and seek?
Hanging.
Hangimuttan. Yes, very good. Hangimuttan. Question B. She is a kind lady.
She is a kind lady.
Very good.
A
She
kind
is a kind lady. Question C. The author of this book is Russian.
This book's author is Russian.
Yes, very good. This books me pote. This book's author. Author. The sound is author. Who is an author?
Katru.
Katru. Yes, author Katru. This book's author is Russian. Russian. It is not Russian. Don't say wrong English, right? Kinave you at Russian. කොහෙද හයවා English class යන්නේ මේක Russian කිව්ව. It is Russian, right? This book's author is Russian. D. He showed a photo. Are you all there? Yeah, 25. Right, so this one, he showed a photo of his mother. He showed,
He showed a photo of his mother.
what is the answer?
He showed his mother's photo.
Yes, very good. He shows his mother's. Ammage. He showed his mother's photo. Ammage. He showed his mother's photo. Question E. You should not come late.
You shouldn't come late.
Come late.
Very good. You shouldn't come late. Right. So please listen, children. If you do not have 5 marks, if you do not have 5 marks for this question, even one mistake or 2 mistakes, then please go back to your apostrophe lesson and do a very good revision. මේකට එක ලකුණක් හරි අඩු වෙලා නම් සම්පූර්ණ පාඩමම නැවත රිවිෂන් කරන්න. right අපි apostrophe lesson එක පටන් ගත්ත තැන ඉඳලා ඒ examples ම කරන්න ඒ activities ම ඒ ප්‍රශ්නම සම්පූර්ණ පාඩමම නැවත revision එකක් කරලා මේ apostrophe පාඩම 100%ක්ම තහවුරු කරගන්න ඕනේ. right කිසිම අඩුපාඩුවක් තියාගන්න එපා. දැන් අපි පාඩම කරලා ටික දවසක් වුණා පේපර් එක කරන්න. එතකොට මේ වෙද්දි ඔයාලට මතක නැත්නම් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම හොඳ රිවිෂන් එකක් කරන්න. ඒ examples ම ඒ questions ම ඒ activities ම කරලා හොඳට පාඩම මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. right අඩුපාඩුත් එක්ක අපිට ඉස්සරහට යන්න අමාරුයි. okay so please remember එක ලකුණක් හරි අඩු නම් මේ පාඩමේ හොඳ රිවිෂන් එකක් කරන්න වෙනවා. right let's go to number 6. Read the poem and answer the questions. It's a little long poem. Let's check the meaning. Black snake, curling on the ground. C-U-R-L, curl. What is the meaning? Curl. Curly kondeya. What is that? Curly.
Kerali.
Huh?
කැරලි
Caroli. Yes, very good.
Caroli.
Curling on the ground. Bima, carolak wage. Dangara gahila inna. Right? Yes. Curl means caroli. Rolled like a rubber tire. Do you know tires? Where do we use tires?
Tire.
ගරාජ්
Tire.
Rodaya.
Rodawala, yes, very good. Rodawala tire එක තියෙන්නේ, right? Very good. Rolled like a rubber tire. So you can imagine දැන් මේ poem එක imagine කරනවා. හිතින් මවා ගන්න. Black snake කෙනෙක් rubber tire එකක් වගේ roll වෙලා තියෙනවා. Ribbed and round. Round head shape. Ribbed and round. Black snake looped
කළු
in a
නයෙක්
tree. What is a loop? Loop එක.
Penaya.
Tonduwa. Loop means tonduwa. Like this. Can you see? This is a loop. This is a loop. Right? See, this is the loop shape. Looped in a tree. I can draw the picture. See, this is the black snake. Looped. Right? Looped in a tree. Limp as a licorice whip, flung free. Another time, sometimes it is like a loop, and other time, limp as a licorice whip. Whip means kasaya. සමහර වෙලාවට කසියක් වගේ පහළට කඩා වැටෙනවා. Flung free. නිදහසේ පහළට වැටෙනවා. Whip එකක් කියන්නේ කසයක්, right? Black snake, curving down the lawn. Curve vela, vakra vela, curving down the lawn. What is lawn?
බිම
What is meadow?
තනබිස්ස
Tanabisa.
තනබිස්ස
Yes, we have three words. Lawn, meadow, grassland. All are similar. Curving down the lawn. Tanabisse, tanukala pittene. Curve vela, vaka gahila inna. Glides like a wave. What is glide?
බඩගා
Yes, glides like a wave. What is wave?
යනවා
Rala. Wave rala. Tarangaya. Wave rala. Glides like a wave. With its silver gone. Silver color. There is also silver color in the black snake. Black snake, come and live with me. I'll feed you. I'll pet you. And then I'll set you free. Okay. Question A. How does the child see the snake?
It is curling on the ground.
No. How does the child? Very good. See the snake. Snake ko dakinne kohamada. How? Like a rubber tire. Yes. Rubber tire ekak wage. Like a rubber tire. Like a rubber tire. Where was it looped? Where?
in a tree
Yes,
Looped
very
in
good.
a
In a tree.
teacher rolled like a rubber tire
No problem. Yes, rolled like a rubber tire. Yes, yes. In a tree.
Teacher looped in the tree කියලා.
Okay. Yes, looped inner tree. How does the black snake glide?
Like a wave.
Very
Like a
good.
wave.
Like a wave. Question D. Find rhyming words. Me,
Free.
Free.
me, free,
Free.
free. Lawn,
Gone.
gone. Yes, lawn, gone. Round,
Ground.
Round.
yes. Opposite words. Up,
Down.
down, up, down. Die,
Leave.
live. Yes, die මැරෙනවා, live ජීවත් වෙනවා. Okay, so the essay is my pet or my country. You have to write 10 sentences. And the oral test, these days I cannot the oral test from you know. So please take your pupils book. I will give a picture. You have to write 5 sentences about that picture. Take your pupils book.
Teacher එක කරන්න දැන්ද?
No. You have to write after the class, right? For homework, I will give you the page number. You have to write. Right.
Excuse
Page
me,
number
teacher.
14. Can you see the picture in the pupils book? Page number 14. Don't say anything about the picture. Can you see the picture in page number 14?
Yes, teacher.
Right, that's all. අරකද මේක දහන්න එපා, right? So it can be a help for writing sentences. Page number 14, there is a very beautiful picture, right? I cannot say anything other than that for that. So for this picture, please write 5 sentences and staple that to this paper, right? ඔයාගේ දැනට essay එක ලියපු කොලේ ඉඩ තියෙනවා නම් ඒකම ලියන්න, නැත්නම් වෙන කොලයක ලියලා staple කරන්න. Write 5 sentences, right? Not now, after the class. Right.
Teacher රචනාව ලියපු අය ලියන්නත් ඕනද? My pet කියලා ගැන ලියුවොත් ඒක ආයෙ oral test එක ලියන්න ඕනද?
Yes, it is not a selection question. මේක තෝර ගැනීම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෙමෙයි. It's a main question. Oral test is question number 8. Okay? So everyone
Teacher.
should write it.
Teacher දැන්ද ලියන්නේ?
No. After
Teacher
the class.
මුලින්ම කියනවත් මට ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ.
Not now, after the class. It's not a selection
Teacher.
question. You must write it. හැමෝම ලියන්න ඕනේ. Selection question
Teacher
එකක්
කරන්න
නෙමෙයි.
කියපේ කියනවත් මට ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ.
Uh-uh.
කරන්න කියපේ කියනවද ආයෙ?
Page number 14 oral test එකට page number 14 වගේ pupils book එකේ ලස්සන picture එකක් තියෙනවා. අන්න ඒක ගැන 5 sentences ලියන්න තියෙනවා. Page number 14 in the pupils book.
Teacher sensation park නේද? 5 නේද?
Sorry, I can't hear you well.
Teacher 5 sentences නේද ලියන්න ඕනි?
Yes, 5 sentences. Right, so let's come to today's lesson. Right, page number 42. Today we have to start a new lesson, right? Page number 42.
Teacher, the unit
Yes, now we are going to start unit 4.
Okay, teacher.
Right. So let's forget everything about this COVID case, online classes, right? Let's imagine that today is a normal school day, early morning, okay? Let's forget everything about these online classes, COVID problem, right? Let's imagine today is a normal school day. So early morning, I think you all remember, we are very busy. The school van is coming and your mother is going to feed your breakfast, right? A lot of work we have to do early in the morning, and the girls have to comb their long hair, boys have to get ready, everything, right? So pack your bag to the timetable. Lot of work we have to do early in the morning. And remember, sometimes we miss our socks. You forget where did you keep your socks. Then go and find everywhere. Girls will find their hair ribbons and the school tie. Don't know where we put everything. Then you have to uh, look everywhere in the house, right? So let's imagine that situation here. Lahiru woke up at 5 a.m. to go to school. He made his bed, washed his face, and went to the kitchen to
Teacher,
collect
ඉවේ
his
page එකද? Signal නැතුව එන්නේ නැහැ teacher.
Oh, page number 42.
Cut වෙනවා. Okay,
Page
teacher.
number 42. Right, so here there are three people in this conversation. Let's go to Vinuki mother, Yalindu Lahiru, and Lahiru's sister. Who has problem? Vinuki mother, Yalindu Lahiru, and Kasuni Irushika sister. Remember your roles. Vinuki mother, Yalindu Lahiru, Kasuni Irushika sister. Right. Others listen. Put your finger to the conversation. Start reading.
Here's your lunch. Do you have cricket practice today?
Not today, mother. I have scouting this afternoon.
You had cricket practice on Friday last year, but this year you have scouting. Have they changed the practice days?
Yes, they have. The coach decided to change the period practice days. The teacher in charge will send you a letter with the new days.
Is Ilham staying after school with you?
Yes, mother, and Krishna too.
Ah, that's good. You can share your lunch with your friends. What time will you finish?
At 5, mother, can you ask Darren's mother to bring my scout notebook? He took it home last week and he's not well. And I need the logbook today.
All right, I'll ask her. Here is your bottle of water. Take your cap and the scout uniform.
There comes the bus. Bye, sister.
Bye. Where is your cap?
or forgot it. I forgot it. Can you get it for me? Please, it's on my table.
Here you are. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Right, very good. Very good reading, three of you. Yalindu, Vinuki, and Kasuni, very good. I am really sorry about these children. I want to hear all of your voices. Right, this is not very fair. Right, Harima Sadharana Vedak. There are nearly 25, 26 students in the class, but the chance get only 3. I am very sorry about this. I select 3 of them not because I especially like them, but I think they have good signal connection. Right? Sometimes when I select students, they do not have signal, then it wastes time. Right? That's why I select 3 of them. So in the normal class, if you are here, of course, I will give everyone chance. So you all stand up one by one and read. Right? Remember, that is how we do in the normal class. But in the online class, it is very difficult to give you all chances because some students have signal problem. So it takes a little time. Right? ප්‍රශ්න නිසා සමහර ළමයිට ටිකක් වෙලා යනවා රීඩින් කරන්න. ඒ නිසා සිග්නල් තියෙන ළමයි 3 දෙනෙක්ව මම තෝරගත්තා. Right? I'm sorry about that. Once this situation is over, if we can have normal classes, then of course I will give everyone chances to read. Right? So don't worry about that. At home, you can practice reading. See, 3 of them are very good. They read them very confidently. ගොඩක් හොඳට ඒගොල්ලෝ read කළා. So you also please practice reading, especially when we are reading a conversation or a dialogue. සංවාදයක් නැත්නම් දෙබසක් read කරද්දී we should try to speak naturally in a normal way. It's not like reading an essay or giving a speech. කතාවක් දෙනවා වගේ essay එකක් කියවනවා වගේ නෙමෙයි අපි role play එකක් කරන්නේ. We should be more natural. ස්වභාවික විදියට. Right? Bye. Do you have questions like that? I forgot. Like that, right? So please remember, at home you can practice all these things. Let's come. I will explain the Sinhala meaning. So you have to do activity to yourselves. Right? I am not going to help for the activity. Right. Let's check. Carefully check the Sinhala meaning. Mother, here is your lunch. So you can imagine everything. Imagine children. හැමදේම හිතින් මවා ගන්න කොහොමද මේක වෙන්නේ කියලා. Right? Remember, this is a normal school day, early morning. Here is your lunch. Do you have cricket practice today? Not today, mother. I have scouting this afternoon. You had cricket practices on Friday last year. You had. What a tibuna cricket practice on Friday last year. So, can you answer this question? What day is today?
Friday.
Very good. Yes, very good. See, mother say you had cricket practice Friday last year. So, the other cricket practice nadda. That means today is Friday. Right. But this year you have scouting. Have they changed the practice days? Practice days egolo change karalada? Yes, they have. The coach decided. Who is coach?
පුහුණුකරු
Puhunukaru. Yes, very good. Decide karana. What is the meaning? Decide karana.
තීරණය කරන
Tirane karana. Very good. Very good. So these new words you can practice in your day-to-day life. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඔයා කතා කරද්දිත් මේ වචන එකතු කරගන්න. හැමදේම සිංහලෙන් කියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. අම්මත් එක්ක තාත්තත් එක්ක අයියා එක්ක කතා කරද්දි decide කරනවා. Right? Then මේ වචන practice එදී ඔයාගේ සිංහලත් එක්කම English practice කරගෙන යන්න. එතකොට ඔයාට බය නැහැ. වෙන තැනක ගිහිලා English speak කරන්න ලැජ්ජාවක් නැහැ. ඔයාලඟ practice එක තියෙනවනේ. Right? So whatever new words, use them. අම්මා hina වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ ඔයා English වලින් කතා කරන කියලා. අම්මට හරිම සතුටු හිතේ. Right? So whatever the new words you learn, practice them. ඒගොල්ලෝ decide කරලා තියෙනවා. They have changed the coach decided to change the practice days. Coach decide කරලා තියෙනවා practice days change කරන්න. The teacher in charge means භාරව සිටින ගුරුතුමා. The teacher in charge will send you a letter. Letter එකක් send කරනවා. Message එකක් send කරනවා. What is the meaning? යවනවා. Very good. දැන් මේ දවස්වල ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරනවාමනේ. message අපි send කරනවා. The teacher in charge will send you a letter. කාටද මේ letter එක ලැබෙන්නේ?
අම්මට
Mother, yes. Lahiru mother ට මේක කියන්නේ. The teacher in charge will send you a letter. ඔයාට ලියුමක් එවයි with the new days. Is Ilham staying after school with you? Yes, mother, and Krishna too. That's good. You can share your lunch with your friends. Remember, before this corona problem, we shared all our food, everything, right? Up your home, not you, maybe, especially in upper classes. Right? So, mother, friends, lunch box share karaganna kiyala. What time will you finish? What time will you finish? At 5. Mother, can you ask Darren's mother to bring my scout logbook? Mother, can you ask Darren's mother to bring my scout logbook? Do you know what is scout logbook? Is it a big book or a small book?
big book.
Big book.
Yes, very good. There are lot of pictures, lot of stories, lot of writings, right? It is a very big book. Right, I think if you are in this Takshila, Kulupana Takshila primary, they do scouting, right? And Sri Pali, they do scouting. I don't know about Sirimevan. In Sirimevan Vidyalaya, do you do scouting? Who did the scouts in this class? Who did the scouting?
මොකක්ද ටීචර්?
Who did the scouting in this class? No one?
No one.
Yalindu, did you do? I can't hear you well. Who did scouting in this class? Are there any scouts? Dinsara? Uvani?
No, teacher.
No. Okay. Right, it's okay. Right, it's all right. I know Kulupana Takshila, they do scouting. I am not sure about Patahavatta and Sirimevan Vidyalaya. Anyway, it's okay. So that is about the small one, right? The primary, but even upper classes, they do scouting. Yeah?
Senudi is scouting.
Senudi, are you still doing? Tamo, I know the scouting, well?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, right. Okay. So do you have a big logbook, Senudi?
තාම පොඩ්ඩයි teacher.
Okay, very good. Yeah, you will fill it one by one, right? It's very good. Scouting is not an easy one, right? It is very difficult to be a scout. Lot of other activities are there. So it is very difficult to balance scouting and your studies. But being a scout, it is a very good thing, right? So let's go. Logbook. He took it home. Darren took Lahiru's logbook home last week and he is not well. What is the meaning not well?
Asanipa.
Yes, very good. Asanipa. And he is not well. And I need the logbook today. Then Darren last week make a genicha, he is not well. I need the book today. අද මට logbook එක ඕනේ. So mother, can you please call? Then Darren එන්න බෑනේ. Please call Darren's mother to bring the logbook. Darren ගේ අම්මට කියමු අපි school gate එකට logbook එක ගෙනත් දෙන්න කියලා. All right, I'll ask her. Here's your bottle of water. Take your cap and the scout uniform. There comes the bus. There comes the bus. Bye, sister. Bye. Where is your cap? Where is your cap? I forgot it. Amataka una. Can you get it for me, please? Can you get it? Again, puluvanda. It's on my table. Here you are. Bye. Bye. Okay, so let's go to the activity. You can ask me any difficult words. I will help you with the Sinhala meaning for only one word. But I will not help you with the complete meaning. සම්පූර්ණ දිග වාක්‍යවල සිංහල meaning මම ඔයාලට දෙන්නේ. ඔයා තනියම ගලප ගන්න ඕනේ. අමාරු වචනවල සිංහල meaning අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මම පැහැදිලි කරනවා. දිග වාක්‍යවල සිංහල meaning පැහැදිලි කරන්නේ ඔයාව තනියම ගලප ගන්න ඕනේ දන්න වචන වලින්. Right? Let's go to question. Yeah.
හරි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද?
What's your name?
ඉක්මනින්.
No, who asked that question?
කුෂාන්.
Ane Kushani, I'm going to kill you. we always say, children hurry up, children hurry up, children hurry up. What's the meaning? Ikman karan. Yeah? There are a lot of other situations we use. We are in a hurry. Api kalabaleng in. Why are you in a hurry? Ay kalabaleng in. Why are you in such a hurry? Mokada ochchara kalabale. Why are you in such a hurry? Mokada ochchara kalabale, right? So hurry means ikman, hurry up, something like that. Okay.
ටීචර් මට හරි කියන එකේ තේරුම මතකයි. අර වාක්‍යයක් කියනකොට තමයි මතක නැත්තේ.
Right, yeah. So ikmana, right? Hurry means ikmana. Good. Because සමහර වෙලාවට අපි යොදා ගන්න තැන විදිහට අපි දන්න meaning එක sure නැති වෙනවා, right? That's the problem. Yeah. Activity 2. When does Lahiru has scout practice? No help. Who has taken අරගෙන තියනවා. Who has taken Lahiru's logbook? Name the friends. Name the friends who do scouting with Lahiru. Why was Darren not returned Lahiru's book? Return karanama, apasu denama. Why not? Why was Lahiru in a hurry to go? Why? What did Lahiru forget? Amataka una. What did Lahiru forget to take with him? Question number 6, there are 2 questions, right? Remember, what did Lahiru forget to take? What he forget? And where was it? So read carefully question number 6. There are 2 questions. What did Lahiru forget? And where was it? Come to the writing book, write the date, and let's write unit for a busy day. And another thing before writing, I want to remind you, I can see some of the students dictation books enama me තාත්තලා අම්මලා fees ගෙවන්න dictation book එක අරගෙන එනවා. So I can see that some of your handwritings are too small. Remember, grade 7, of course, you can write a small handwriting, but grade 7 is not a class to small your handwriting. You can do that when you go to grade 10, 11, right? Remember, we are still small students, grade 7. So medium size, not too big, because you are grade 7, you are not too small. At grade 4, 5 වල වගේ ලොකුවට ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. And also like grade 10, 11 අක්කලා අයියලා too small. So you should write the medium size handwriting. I can see some of your handwriting too small. Cannot. Right? You should follow medium size handwriting. Okay. Activity 2. Right. I can see some of your dictation books are very neat. Right mark very nicely, put right marks, count and put the marks. Some books are very neat. So thank you for all the hard work. Let's start activity 2.
Teacher ප්‍රශ්න ලියන්න. ප්‍රශ්න ලියන්න
Of
ඕනද?
course, yes. Until our O-level class, we write all the questions. ඔය 11 වසරේ යනකම් ආයේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. අපි 11ට වෙනකම්ම ප්‍රශ්න ලියනවා. Right? Rashini.
Yes, teacher.
Rashini, do you have any questions? ඔයාට signal ටිකක් මදි නිසා පාඩම පැහැදිලිද?
පැහැදිලි teacher.
right. සිංහල meaning ඔයාට ලියා ගන්න බැරි වුණා නම් අහන්න.
Okay, teacher.
Right.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
with ලහිරු කියනකොට ලහිරුත් එනව නේද?
Sorry.
with ලහිරු කියනකොට ලහිරුත් එනව නේද?
No, Lahiru Samaga.
Okay, teacher.
Right? ඔයාගෙන් question එක අහන්නේ scouting කරන ඔක්කොම ළමයි කවුද කියලා. ලහිරුත් සමග.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Yeah. Okay, so let's check answers. When does Lahiru have scout practices? When?
On Friday.
Very good. Very good.
Friday.
Yes, very good. Activity 2. Question number 1. It's on Friday. Very good. Please take your red pen and put right marks. Number 1 on Friday. 2.
In Fridays Friday.
Sorry?
In Fridays Nerida.
No. But you can do the correction and put right marks. Not to worry. Remember, this is a day. Right? The prepositions lesson for a day and date. Day and date. We should follow the preposition on. Make note එක දාගන්නවට වෙන grammar book එකේ හරි කොහේ හරි කමන්නේ දාගන්න note එක on Friday, on Monday, on Saturday, on Tuesday. That is the day. Date on 15th, on 21st, on the 2nd, on the 31st, on the 26th. That is the date. So, dinaya ha davasa preposition is on. And another one, month and year, the preposition is in. In January, in February, in March, the preposition is in. And for the year, the preposition is in. In 2021, in 2020, in 2050, in 1997. Right, very good. So it is a good mistake. එක යාළුවෙක්ගේ පොඩි අඩුපාඩුවක් නිසා අපි ලොකු පාඩමක් ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Right? A preposition lesson. So ටක් ගාලා මේ note එක දාගන්න. Month, year, the preposition is in. Day and date, the preposition is on. Very good. Now I අඩුපාඩු දාගෙන right mark එකක් දාන්න. මොකද මෙතනදී අපේ ප්‍රශ්නේ dialogue එක conversation එක තේරුම් අරගෙනද කියන එක right. ඒ නිසා preposition අඩුපාඩුවට මේකෙදී ඔයාලට ලකුණු ලැබෙනවා. පොඩි පන්ති යනකොට prepositions අඩුපාඩු වලට ලකුණු කපනවා.
එතකොට teacher Friday විතරක් තිබ්බහමත් වැරදි.
Friday, yes, but please practice to write with the preposition. Friday, of course, correct. Right? Practice when the prepositions ekkama liyan.
Okay,
Right.
teacher.
Let's go to number 2. Who has taken Lahiru's logbook?
Darren.
Darren, yes. Darren. Number 3. Name the friends who do scouting with Lahiru.
Ilham.
Darren and Krishna.
Darren,
And Darren.
Ilham, and Krishna.
And Krishna.
Yes. And Krishna. Darren, Ilham, Krishna, or Darren, Ilham, and Krishna. Number 4. Why has Darren not returned Lahiru's book? Why?
Because he isn't
Because
well.
he is not well.
Yes, because, very good. Because he is not well. Because he is right. Let's come to number 5. Question number
Yeah.
5. Why was Lahiru in a hurry to
Excuse
go?
me, teacher.
Because the bus is arrived.
Because the buses came.
Yes, because the bus came. You can write many answers. Because the bus.
Teacher, because නැතුව කස් හරිද?
Because the bus comes, or because the bus came. Okay, you can put a right mark, but in blue pen, please add because, and remember, next time when you answer for why question, write because, right? Other blue pen එකෙන්ම
Me,
හදලා
teacher.
right mark එකක් දාගන්න. Next time why question එකට because එකේ answer දෙන්න මතක තියාගන්න.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, question number 4 එකට ස්කට් log book කියලා දැම්මොත් හරියද?
Because
ස්කට් log book.
no, that is wrong answer. Logbook එක why has Darren not returned Lahiru's logbook? Lahiruge book එක return කළේ නැත්තේ why ඇයි? Lahiruge logbook එක Darren return කළේ නැත්තේ ඇයි? මෙතන අපේ question එක Lahiruge Darren return කළේ නැත්තේ Lahiruge මොකද්ද කියන එක නෙමෙයි. Lahiruge මොකද්ද වුණා නම් logbook එක. The question is why? ඇයි Darren Lahiruge logbook එක return කළේ නැත්තේ? So why? Because he is not well.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Yeah, very good.
Teacher, question number 5 එකට the bus came කියලා දැම්මොත් වැරදි නේද?
Correct. That's why I write here. Because the bus comes, or because the bus came, bus එක එනවා, or bus එක ආවා. Right? Correct.
Teacher, question
Came
number
the
6
bus.
එකට උත්තරේ මොකක්ද?
Sorry.
Came the bus වැරදි නේද?
No, came the bus. No, because when we write a sentence, we should follow SVO. No. So, bus came. Verb එක subject එකට කලින් එන්න බෑ. Right?
Teacher,
We follow SVO.
teacher,
Yes.
teacher, because the bus came කියන එක වැරදිද?
Can you speak louder, please?
Because the bus came කියන එක වැරදිද?
Because the bus came, correct, of course. That's why I write here came. අර comes ගන්නත් පුළුවන්, came ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Because the bus comes, correct. Because the bus came, correct. Any other questions?
No, teacher.
Right. Let's go to number 6. What did Lahiru... I told you in your question number 6, we have 2 parts. What did Lahiru forget to take with him?
His cap.
His cap.
cap.
Yes, you can
Cap
write cap
and logbook.
or his cap. Cap, correct. Cap or his cap. Second part, where was it?
It is on his
It is
table.
on his table.
Very good. It's on his table. It is on we cannot write my table mage table එක නෙමෙයිනේ, right? It is on his table. Yeah.
I write the caps and the skirt uniform.
No, uniform එක අමතක වුණා කිව්වේ නෑ නේද? Not the uniform. Here, take your cap and the mother. Right, let's go to the lesson again. In your page number 42 last line, page number 42 last line, mother says, all right, I'll ask her. Here is your bottle of water. Take your cap and the scout uniform. Amma kiyano me dekama ganna kiyala. Then, bye, where is your cap? I forgot it. එතකොට ලහිරු මෙතන ඉල්ලන්නේ කැප් එක විතරයි. ඒ කියන්නේ යුනිෆෝම් එක එයාගේ බෑග් එකේ ඇති. නැත්තම් එයා කියනෝනේ oh I forgot where is my cap and uniform කියලා. Right? So that means he forget only the cap, not the uniform.
Okay, teacher, thank you. I
Yes,
miss
very good.
sentences.
Right. So that's all. It is on his
So,
paper.
I miss the
Forgot.
sentences, teacher.
he forgot his cap and it is on his table.
Yeah, that is a very good answer.
Okay, teacher.
Right. So can we go to the next lesson?
Okay, teacher.
Right. Activity 3. Before that, I will leave you because there are only 2 minutes, right? Just stay there. I will end this meeting and start again.
Teacher, wait.
Okay.
Teacher, activity treat කරන්න ඕනේද?
No, I will explain first. මම පාඩම් පැහැදිලි කරලා ඉන්න.
Teacher, activity 3 के तेरे notice එක
Okay, teacher, I ready.
All right. So I will end the meeting. Right, I think we can start. So let's go to activity 3. Right, let's go to activity 3. Here is a notice. Read and complete the table below. Right, what is a notice? What do you know about a notice?
දැනීම.
Yes, very good. A notice is දැන්වීම. Right, මොනවද ඔයා දන්වන්නේ?
ආරාධනාවක්.
කිසි තොරතුරක්
Station.
ආරාධනාවක්.
තොරතුර.
Very good. Information, right? Invitation, ආරාධනාවක්. Information, තොරතුරක්. Very good. What are the others?
දැනුවත් කිරීමක්.
Yes, දැනුවත් කරනවා. Inform කරනවා. Very good. දැනුවත් කරනවා.
Competition.
Inform කරනවා. Very good.
Competition.
About a competition. Very good. තරඟයක් ගැන inform කරන්න. Very good. About a competition.
Exhibition.
Exhibition. Very good.
මීටින් එකක් ගැන.
Meeting. Very good.
Examination.
Examinations, very good.
Anniversary.
Anniversary, very good. Yeah.
Party.
Party, of course, a party. Shramadana campaign, right? We say Shramadana campaign, very good.
Ledandimak.
Blood donation campaign. Blood, right? Lay means blood. Very good. Blood donation campaign. Any other ideas? Very good. Vaccination. Very good. Vaccination. Very good. If you know English words, please tell me English words. Then vaccination එක හැමතැනම කතා වෙනවා, right? So you know the English words. Yes.
Dengue.
Concert.
Concert. School concert. Yes.
Dengue, malaria, diseases.
Dengue malaria diseases. That is not a clear answer. Dengue malaria diseases ගැන මොකටද ඔයා notice එක දාන්නේ? Quarantine. Quarantine notice. Yes, of course. Quarantine notice. This house is quarantined. Yes, very good. Quarantine notice.
Teacher.
Sorry.
Drama.
A drama. Yes.
Dancer.
Dansal. Yes. Alms givings. Dansal. Yes.
Teacher sport meet.
Sport meet.
Sport meet. Very good. Sorry.
එකක් ගැන
What?
teacher parents meeting එකක් ගැන
Parents meeting. Very good. Very good. Salpila. Yes, salpila. මේකට නම් ඔයා ඉංග්‍රීසි වචනේ සමහරට අහලා නැතුව ඇති. It is fun fair. Okay, fun fair. Salpila. Right? Fun fair එක. Very good.
teacher සල්පිල කියන එකේ තේරුම මොකක්ද?
Right. It's a fun fair, right? A fun fair means we organize this salpila to raise funds. Raise funds means අර මුදල් ඉහළ නංවන්න. Let's think our school library needs some books because the books are really
children
old.
parents
So we
එකක්
need
ගැන
some new books. Then we organize a fun fair. The children bring items, new items from home, right? Children bring new items from home. Then we organize this fun fair. The items are here. Then I take the stapler machine. All right. So we call. Someone will give you the first prize. Avarai, right? Like that, someone will say, I will give this 10 rupees. Then another one say, no, I have 12 rupees. Another one 15. Another one 20. So then there is a silent. Then හැමෝම ගණන් ඉදිරිපත් කරලා ඔන්න silence එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඊට වැඩි මිලට මේ stapler එක ගන්න කැමති නෑ කවුරුවත්. Then the bidder කියන්නේ මේක සංවිධානය කරන කෙනා එයා කියනවා ඇවරයි දෑවරයි තුන් ඇවරයි 50 rupees රුපියල් 50ට මේ ස්ටේපර් එක විකුණනවා. right? So ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ භාණ්ඩයේ වටිනාකමට වඩා වැඩියෙන් තමයි එන අය මිලදී ගන්නෙ. මේක භාණ්ඩ මිලදී ගැනීම නෙමෙයි අපේ purpose එක අපේ අරමුණ ස්කූල් ලයිබ්‍රරි එකට help කරන එක. ඒ නිසා හැමෝම වැඩි වටිනාකමක් නැති භාණ්ඩ වැඩි මිලකට අරගෙන හැමෝම මේකට help කරනවා. It is a මේක ඔයා කිව්වා නම් ඇවරයි දෑවරයි කියලා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දන්නවා. right? Maybe you all yes
opening
ceremony very good opening ceremony grand opening yes grand opening එකක් of course
children meeting
children's meeting
morning education
sorry
morning
assembly very good
Media.
Teacher.
huh
Teachers meeting.
teachers meeting of course
Media.
media conference Yes, media conference. මාධ්‍ය වලින් තියෙන දැනුවත් කිරීම, right? මාධ්‍ය සාකච්ඡා. Yes, media conference.
Christmas
Exhibition.
Exhibition.
Christmas parties.
Christmas party.
exhibition
What exhibition?
teacher media exhibition
Media exhibition.
New Year.
New Year. New Year celebration. Yes, New Year celebration. Okay, right. That's good. That's good. Okay, thank you very much. So next time, right, that's enough. So you all have big idea about what is a notice. Because in our grade 8 class, we have to write notice. Grade 7, no writing. But you know what is a notice. දැන් මේ notice එකක් කියනකො ආ දන්නවනේ එහෙනම් මේකෙන් එන questions මොනවද ඒවට දෙන්න ඕනේ answers මොනවද කියනකො ආට පොඩි idea එකක් තියෙනවා right so all these events තමයි notice එකක් ඇතුලේ තියෙන්නේ එහෙනම් ඔයාගෙන් notice එකක question අහනවා නම් මේ event එක ගැන තමයි අහන්නේ now just think what are the important information වැදගත් තොරතුරු notice එකක තියෙන. What are the important information in a notice?
Date,
Time,
presented by.
That means who is presenting, who is organizing, right? Presented
Teacher.
by means මේක present කරන්නේ කවුද? Organize කරන්නේ කවුද? Very good.
venue,
Name
of the
Date.
Yeah,
Venue.
name of the event. Name of the event is very important. ඔයා date, time, place ඔක්කොම දාගෙන ගිහිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද කියන එක දාන්න අමතක වුණොත්. It is a very big problem, right? So the first thing, very important, name of the event, right? Any other information?
venue. Teacher, venue කියන එකේ තේරුම මොකක්ද?
Place. Yes, remember venue is place. Any other? Right, sometimes when we write about school sports meet, school concert, school prize giving, right? Sometimes when we write about them, we should write the chief guest. Who is the chief guest?
ප්‍රධාන මුත්තා.
Yes, very good. So, chief guest. Who is the chief guest?
ප්‍රධාන ආරාධනා
පාඩ notice එකකින් ලැබෙන්න පුළුවන්, right? Who is the chief guest? Because in our sport meet, prize giving, prefect day, science day, there are chief guests. So, chief guest කවුද කියන question එකත් ඔයාගෙන් අහන්න පුළුවන්. Right. දැන් අපි ඔක්කොම පාඩම සාකච්ඡා කරලා තියෙන්නේ. It's very simple. Right. So, come to the notice here. Page number 43, notice. The 8th Scout Troop of Dharmapala College proudly present. What's the meaning? Proudly present.
ආඩම්බරව.
Yes. In Sinhala we write Sadambara ඉදිරිපත් කිරීම. Right? හතවසර ළමයින්ගේ සාඩම්බර ඉදිරිපත් කිරීම. Right? The meaning is there. So the 8th Scout Troop of Dharmapala College proudly presents a trip to heaven. What is heaven? Heaven? Divya Lokaya, yes. A trip to heaven. A drama based on a popular folk tale. Popular Janapriya folk tale එකක්. ජන කතාවකින් එන drama එකක්. Do you know this story? Who is the animal in the story?
Elephant.
Elephant and the Gamarala. Grandmother, right. Very good. So that is the story, A Trip to Heaven. A drama.
Grandfather.
Popular. Yeah. Do you have a question?
No teacher.
No teacher.
On 3rd May 2017. See the date. The preposition for the date is on. So when you write answers, about the date or day, you should write the preposition on. Right? Then මෙතන ඉඳලා preposition එක දාන එක practice වෙන්න. Day එකක් නැත්නම් date එකක් නම් අනිවාර්යෙන්ම on එක දාන්න. At 2:30 p.m. At means starting time. මෙතනදී you have to remember පොඩි note එකක් දාගන්න තැනක ඔයා. No, I will give that note. මම ඒකේ note එක දෙන්න. පොඩි ලියාගන්න පුළුවන්.
Teacher.
Yes.
Excuse me, teacher. Teacher, මේ reading book එකේ තියෙන notice එක අපි ලියා ගන්න ඕනද?
No, don't write. මේක ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. මේ activity එක කරද්දිත් ලියලා හිස්තම් පුරවන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ, right? අපකද notice ලියන්න අපි දෙන්නේ grade 8 class එකේ. ඒකට grade 7 වල දෙන්නේ notice එකක් දීලා question answer කරන්න. ඒ නිසා note එක ලියන්න practice වෙන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ තාම. Right. So remember, when you are writing about the starting time, prepositions are very important. Right? ඒවා වෙන වෙනම මතක තියාගන්න. අපි දන්නවා day, date, දිනය, දවස, on. Next one, at. At කියන preposition එක ගන්නවා අපි starting time එක විතරක් දෙනවා නම්. Starting time එක විතරයි. At 2:30, at 10:30, at 3 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, like that. Starting time එක විතරක් දෙනවා නම් අපේ preposition එක at. Starting time එකයි finishing time එකයි දෙකම දෙනවා නම්
on
yes
on
from
to
very good. Yeah.
සීනේද කරන්න ඕනේ. activity 3 නේද කරන්න ඕනේ දැන්.
Yes, අපි activity 3 කරන්න කලින් පාඩම දැනගෙන ඉමු. Right? Prepositions ටික very important. So remember, starting time එකයි finishing time එකයි දෙකම දෙනවා නම් from to කියන prepositions දෙකම දාන්න වෙනවා. Next one, in the main hall. So what is the preposition for the place? In. Very good. Right? So you have to remember all the prepositions. On, day, date, at, starting time, from, to, starting time and finishing time, in, main hall, place. Right? In again, place. And there is another one word we have to practice, venue. Venue කියලා අහනවා අපෙන් question එක. What is venue?
place
Yes, place. ස්ථානය ගැන අහන්නේ. Right? So only that. ඔය ටික විතරයි ඔයාට notice එකක් ගැන දැනගන්න තියෙන්නේ. You can get 5 marks or 10 marks. මේ ටික මතකයි නම් ඔයාලට ලකුණු 5ම එහෙම නැත්නම් 10ම ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Come to the writing book. චූටි note එකක් දාගමු අපි notice ගැන.
teacher grammar book එකේ
No need. You can do in the writing book. Venue. The sound is venue. Venue.
teacher next week dictation වලට මේ dictation කලින් ලියන්න දුන්නේ නෑ නේද?
Yes, yes. I will tell you about that. Chatum. What is the
Oh, teacher.
meaning? Yeah, Chatum, what is the meaning? STARTING. Chatum, hurry up. What is the meaning? STARTING.
Teacher.
Others don't answer, please. Chatum, hurry up. We have no time. Hiruka, what is the meaning? STARTING. Please repeat, Hiruka.
Starting.
Yeah, what is the Sinhala meaning? What is the meaning? Starting. Very good, very good. Thank you. Next one, what is the meaning? FINISHING. Yes, what is the Sinhala meaning?
අවසාන
Very
කරනවා.
good, very good. Next one, WHO. What is the Sinhala meaning? Howda, right? Very good. Thank you. Yes. So remember, another preposition we have howda. Make organize karanne natham present karanne. What is the meaning? Present karana? ඉදිරිපත් කරනවා. Yes, පිළිගන්නවා හෝ ඉදිරිපත් කරනවා. මේක ඉදිරිපත් කරන්නේ කවුද? Who කවුද? Right? Very good. මොකද සමහර වෙලාවට ඔයාට fill in the blanks කරන්න එනවා. Like that. The exhibition is in. හිස්තැන. The exhibition is in. එතකොට දැන් මේ in එකට ඔයා මොකද්ද දාන්න ඕනේ? දිනයද වෙලාවද ආරාධිතා මුත්ත කවුද? The exhibition is in.
place.
Place, yeah, that's why, right?
Place.
The blanks out or
Teacher,
prepositions
notice
ටික අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම
බලාගෙනද අපි ලියන්න ඕනේද? මේ notice එක බලාගෙනද අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ?
සිතුම් මම තාම ඇක්ටිවිටි එක කරන්න ගියේ නෑ. මේ නෝටිස් එකෙන් දෙන ප්‍රශ්න වලට ඔයාට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම උත්තර ලියන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. නමුත් ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එකට වෙන ටෙස්ට් පේපර් එකක ආවොත් අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මුළු පාඩමම ඉගෙනගෙන ඔයාට ඇක්ටිවිටි එක කරන්න පුළුවන් very simple. right මේ පාඩම කවර් කරගන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා මම අනිත් ප්‍රශ්න එන විදිහ දැන් මෙතන ඔයාට chart එකක් දෙන්නේ. නමුත් හැම තිස්සෙම chart එකක් නෙමෙයි අපිට දෙන්නේ. fill in the blanks આવොත් මොන වගේ උත්තරද හොයන්නේ? අපි කොහෙන්ද හොයන්නේ? question එකක් අහුවොත් ඔයාගෙන් what is the starting time කියලා very simple අපි starting time එක දානවා. මේක fill in the blanks වලට තිබුණොත් එහෙම the exhibition is at. දැන් මොකක්ද ඔයා ලියන්නේ? right? That's why you have to be very clear about the prepositions. මේ එක එක preposition සමහර වෙලාවට අපි place එකටත් at කියන එක ගන්නවා. දැකලා ඇති at the main hall කියලා තියෙනවා. right? ඒ වගේ notice එකකදී time එක දෙන්නේ from ඉඳලා to වෙනකම්. right? ඒ නිසා prepositions ගැන හොඳම අවධානයෙන් ඉන්න. හැමතිස්සෙම අපෙන් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ. fill in the blanks આવොත් ඒ preposition එකට අදාළ උත්තරේ තෝරගන්න ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. right? So the activity is very simple. දැන් ඔයා activity එක 10 පාරක් බලලා උත්තර ටික හොඳටම හදාගෙන තියෙන සමා activity ගැන මුකුත් කියන්න යන්නේ. I will give that for homework. So we have some other homeworks. Activity 3, activity 4 මම මේවා මුකුත් කියලා දෙන්නේ ඔයා තනියම කරන්න. In the writing book, right? Everything in the writing book. Activity 3, 4, writing book. Another one for this week, test 3. test 3 homework ළමයි papers ගෙනියන්න එන්න බැරි වුණොත් මේ test 3 එක එහෙම ගන්න බැරි වෙලා නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ තාත්තලාට හරි මාමලාට හරි කාට හරි කමන්නේ පාස් තියනවා නම් ඇවිල්ලා ඔයාගේ paper එක ගෙනත් දෙන්නේ කියන්නේ. right එහෙම නැත්නම් test 3 එකත් මම WhatsApp එකට දාන්නම්. ඒකෙන් සම්පූර්ණ paper එකම ලියා ගන්න වෙනවා. එහා ගෙදර එක්කෙනෙක්ට හරි කමන්නේ කියන්න class එකට ඇවිල්ලා paper එක අරගෙන යන්න කියලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ ගේට්ටුවට දාන්නේ කියන්නේ. ඉතින් සමහර ළමයි papers අරගෙන ගිහිල්ලා නැහැ right?
Teacher,
yes.
test 3 එකේ මුළු පිටුවමද test 3 එකේ මුළු පිටුවමද කරන්න
It's
ඕනි?
not one page. We have okay. Please පොඩකින් මම test 3 එකට යන්න කලින් අනිත් ටික කියාගෙන යන්නම්. papers ගන්න ආපු නැති ළමයි මොකක් හරි කාට හරි පාස් තියෙන කෙනෙක් අතේ paper එක ගන්න. Another one dictation. I have dictation 2 pages, right? I will send them to the WhatsApp group so you can man dictation mark කරලා තියෙන්න එතන 22nd of June. There are 12 words for dictation. Write all the words in your writing book and practice 12 words for dictation. Right? So
So you
homework
said the dictation today.
dictation I will send to the group. 2 pages are there. Then number 1 කියලා number 1 කියන page එකේ මම right mark දාලා තියෙනවා. ඒ ටික පාඩම් කරගන්න මේ week එකට. There are 2 pages. Right. So
Okay.
homework activity 3, 4 and test 3. Can you please take test 3? Take this paper a little මට ඒක චුට්ටක් පැහැදිලි
Teacher, I have the test 3
Right, very
paper.
Can you
Teacher unit 4 එකේ ගන්න එන්න ඕනේද?
no unit 4 you have.
Teacher,
Yeah.
teacher දැන් මේක එක unit test මේ 2 3 4 තියෙනවනේ. ඒ ඔක්කොම එකට සෙට් කරලා තියෙනවානේ. දැන් අපි මේ කොහොමද ඒ වෙන කොලයක කරපු එක ඒ පේපර් එකට අදාළ වෙන්න අලවන්න කොහොමද ටීචර් ඒක වෙන වෙනම ගලවලා අලවන්නද?
No need. You can staple everything in the end. Just write at the question what is the test paper. Let's like this. Test 1 question 5. Test 2 question 8 like that. Anyway ඔයාට එහෙම හරියට ගලප ගන්න අමාරු නම් කමන්නේ උත්තරේ ලියලා තියෙන විදිහටම ලියා ගන්න. උත්තරේ දැක්කම මට තේරෙනවා මේ ප්‍රශ්නෙටයි මේ උත්තරේ ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. එකම දේ ඔයා ප්‍රශ්නෙට අදාළ නැති උත්තරයක් ලියලා තියෙනවා නම් තමයි මට හොයාගන්න බැරි වෙන්නේ. ප්‍රශ්නෙට අදාළ උත්තරේ ලියලා තියෙනවා නම් මට හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ මේකයි කියලා right?
ටීචර් මේ
Yes.
homeworks වලට unit 2 එකේ test 2 එකේ අර ටීචර් දුන්න picture එක page number 14 වල ඒකත් homework නේද?
Yes. That is from our previous year. Yeah. Right. So please come to test 3 now. Question number 1. Remember, match and make sentences or questions. Number 1 එක තියෙනවාට match කරන්න විතරක් නෙමෙයි. Match and make sentences or questions. මෙතන සමහර ඒවා sentences, සමහර ඒවා questions. So in a separate paper වෙනම කොලයක ඔයා මෙතන sentence ටිකත් questions ටිකත් හදන්න වෙනවා. Right? First you can match here. This one first you can match. Take a pencil ruler and match. Then in another paper, foolscap paper, whatever paper, you have to make the sentences or questions. මෙතන match කරලා දාන එක විතරක් නෙමෙයි. Right? You have to make the sentence or questions. Number 2, no problem. Number 3, note එකක් තියෙන්නේ, no problem. Number 4, next page. 5 sentences. Number 5, fill in the blanks. Number 6, national festival in Sri Lanka, my favorite animal. Write 10 sentences on one of the following. Question number 7, there is a listening test. I will do that next week, right? Because now no time to do that in a hurry. So listening test we will do next week. සමහර වෙලාවට ළමයි listening test වලට උත්තර ලියලා තියෙනවා.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher, unit for busy day cut කරන්න ඕනද?
A busy day. No. A busy day we are still in the lesson. No. Busy unit 4 එකේ activities වලට යන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. අපි grammar ටික slowly කරගෙන යන එතන grammar lesson එක තියෙන්නේ. So test 3 only for homework. Any other questions?
Teacher, test එකේ
No
පළවෙනි
problem, nothing, teacher.
teacher test 3 එකේ පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ sentences හදන්නත් ඕනේ questions යා කරන්නත් ඕනේ නේද?
Yes. You have to match first. First match, then write.
Okay, teacher.
Right.
Teacher, අපි tute එකේ මේ match කරලා full step කළ එක මේ කරාට කමක් නැති sentence.
Yes, that's the way. එහෙම තමයි කරන්නේ. Right. That's the way. හැමදාම questions තියෙන එකම ළමයින්ට මම අනිත් ළමයින්ගේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට අර අහන කට්ටිය අහලා උත්තර හොයා ගන්නවද? How about others? No, we don't have questions. අපිට පාඩම පැහැදිලි, right? කියන දේ one shot තේරෙනවා. So no question. Please children, if you have any questions you can ask me or you can send me a message, right? මම පුළුවන් විදියට reply කරනවා. හරියටම ඔයා message එවපු සැනින් මට reply කරන්න බැරි වෙනවා සමහර වෙලාවට because I have some other works also, but I will try to answer all the messages. So no more questions?
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Then let's end. There is only 19, some left, right? Anyway, right, that's all. So if you don't have the tute, please tell someone, right? කාගෙන් හරි උදව්වක් ගන්න. පාස් තියෙන කෙනෙක්ගෙන් සමහර අංකල්ස් ලට මේ වැඩට එන්න කියනවනේ. ඒ දවසට මෙතනින් යන ගමන් tute එක ගන්න පුළුවන් ඒගොල්ලන්ට, right? That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining the online class. Goodbye, good night.
Goodbye, teacher. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Bye, good night, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Good night, teacher.
Good night.
teacher හෙට එන්න teacher paper ගන්න.
දින්සර
teacher හෙට උදේට එන්න paper ගන්න.
දින්සර ඔයාගේ නංගිටත් අලුත් පේපර් එකක් හදලා තිනවා මට ඒක තාම ටයිප් කරලා ඉවර කරන්න බැරි වුණා. පුළුවන් නම් හෙට හවස එන්න පුළුවන්ද? හෙට හවස.
teacher හෙට හවස නම් බෑ.
අනිද්දා මට grade 4 එක මට තව පිටුවක් තියෙනවා ටයිප් කරන්න.
teacher හෙට හවසට පුළුවන්ලු.
හරි. මම එතකොට තුන් දෙනාගම ටික ලෑස්ති කරලා තියන්නම්, right?
okay teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Right, good night, bye.
Goodbye teacher, good night.
Bye.
Goodbye teacher. Good night teacher.
Good night.